Here. Yeah, do some bird dog training. Come on. Yeah, I think I got you good up on the table holding. Let's see. On the ground. Hold. Here. Hold and heel. Heel. "5:30 in the morning training, huh?" Yeah. Heel. This is how you become like a mofo. Heel. Good boy. Oh. Give. Good boy. Good boy. Heel. Good boy. Hold. Good boy. Hold. I'd be nice and give you the path. Here, heel. Stay. Give. Yeah, pretty easy when you're an older dog and you know all your basic commands. Here, heel. Hold. Heel. Stay. Give. Good boy, Earl. Yeah. Stay. Okay, now for a hard one. The plastic bottle. Here, heel. Here. Hold. Good boy, Earl. Heel. Stay. Give. Good boy. Yep, so far this is pretty easy stuff. You understand the hold part. Here, now the hammer. Here. Ah. Hold. Heel. Here, heel. Stay. Hey, good hold on. Oh, hold. Spoke too soon. Here. Hold. Give. Go. This one's easy. Here. Hold. Heel. Stay. Good boy, Rebel. Yeah. Give. Okay, one more. Come on. Come here, giant rib. Hold. Heel. Give. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Losing in the snow. Retrieve. Fetch up. Here. Rebel here. Hey. Here. Hold. Give. Hold. Give. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Fetch up. Here. Heel. Hold. Give. Go boy. Okay, let's get to work. Dude.